Okay, the video that we're going to do today is going to be on fractions, finding the names of the different parts of the fraction. Just remember that when you do math, the parts of the math problem, the things that you do build on each other. So things that you learned in an earlier grade are things that you need to help you solve these problems that you're going through now. So what we're going to look at now is just a few fractions and see if we can name the parts. Before we get started, if you look at the fraction 3/4, you see the arrow drawn away from the 4. That is telling you that that is the denominator. What is the denominator, you say? The denominator is how many pieces there are, and it is the bottom number of a fraction. So that is what the denominator is. When you look at a fraction, you might also see the word, you will also see the word numerator. Coming away from the 3 on 3/4 is an arrow taking you to tell you that that is the numerator. The top number is the numerator. Just in case you're thinking, what is he doing? He's just making that up. The numerator is how many pieces there are, like how many pieces of the pie are left or how many pieces of the pie are gone. That number goes on the top. The top number of the fraction is the numerator. You might also see fractions where there are 3 different numbers. And if that is the case, that means 4 5/7 tells you that there is a whole number. That's how many whole pieces of whatever it is there are. So the whole number and then the fraction. The whole number and then the fraction. So the whole number tells you how many whole or complete things you have in the set. So what we're going to do now is you're going to see several fractions, and when you see the fraction, like you see the fraction 1/2, I need you to tell me what is the denominator in that fraction. The denominator is the bottom number, the denominator is 2. The next one, you have 2/3. What is the numerator for 2/3? 2/3. The numerator is the top number, so the numerator is 2. The next fraction is 1/4, and they're asking you for the numerator. The numerator is the top number, so the numerator is 1. On the next fraction, you have 6/8. They're asking for the denominator. The denominator is the bottom number, so the denominator is 8. The next fraction, 5/12. They're asking for the numerator. The numerator is the top number, so the numerator is 5. The next fraction is 9 2/4. They're asking for the whole number. The whole number is how many complete pieces there are. The whole number in this fraction is 9. The next one is 6 4/12. You're looking for the denominator. The denominator is the bottom number. The bottom number is 12. So the denominator in 6 4/12 is 12. Let's move over and do a few more. As soon as I get the camera set here. All right. 7/88. And they're looking for the numerator. The numerator is the top number, so the numerator is 7. 9 7/12. 9 7/12. We're looking for the denominator. The denominator is the bottom number. The bottom number is 12, so the denominator is 12. The next fraction, 3 2/3. They're looking for the whole number. There are 3 complete, whatever this is for the fraction, there are 3 whole or complete pieces, the whole number is 3. Next, we have 2/9. We're looking for the denominator. The denominator is, I hope you said the bottom number. The bottom number is 9, so the denominator is 9. The next fraction is 5/6. We're looking for the numerator. The numerator is, I hope you said that the numerator is the top number, and the top number is 5, so the numerator is 5. The next one is 3 3/12. And they're looking for the denominator. The denominator is, that is right, the bottom number. And the bottom number is 12. So the denominator is 12. The last one that we're going to do, 2 7/15. And we're looking for the whole number. This is the fraction, how many pieces, and this is the whole thing. This is how many complete we have. So the whole number is 2. Now, you will be getting at some point some sheet, a worksheet that will ask you to continue to work on identifying the parts of the fraction. If at any point you need to review this video, click on the video and re-watch as we identify and label the parts of the fraction. So get ready to work on the worksheet, and if you need to watch the video again, of course, watch the video again.